What's up, guys? We're playing the claw machine. Orange Taz, popsicle. So yeah, we're gonna go for the Orange Taz first. Put it down here. Try that. Oh, Clint. I don't know about him. Yeah, I don't know. Can we make the Pac-Man over? Oh, there's the red Happi Bird. That's what I was looking for. Let's go for Orange Taz again. Please stay. Orange Taz. Nice, you got the Orange Taz. Sweet. Awesome. You got an Orange Taz down there. That's awesome, guys. Sweet. I'm really happy I won that because I have a green Taz, now I have an Orange Taz that goes along with it. That's awesome, guys. Sweet. Sorry for the noise, guys. I don't know if I should spend another $1. I came back today hoping it'd be good, better, restocked, but it kind of is, but I only have a 5. Like, I'm wondering if I can get to the Pac-Man. I don't know, guys. You know, guys, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, we're back. I had to break a 5 because I didn't want to spend so much money because the machine doesn't look so good. I broke a 5 because there's a Pac-Man, I think I can break, and then there's a popsicle, and then, yeah, that's it. So let's try to, hopefully we can break this Pac-Man over into the prize chute. Let's go for that first. It didn't work like I planned. What else to go for? I don't know if I can get the Pac-Man guy, guys. Let's go for the popsicle, though. Popsicle. Let's try to pick it up. That's, it's right there. We're getting this popsicle, though. There we go. I should have it. Oh, shoot. Wait. Oh. Okay, come on. We have to get this popsicle. We're getting this popsicle, no doubt. I just need to make sure it doesn't snap it or anything. There we go. Okay. Get in there. Okay, I think I can just pick it up. Are you serious? Come on, man. It's ridiculous. Well, I gotta get this popsicle. Man, I didn't... sweet. What's the deal? I should get this popsicle, no doubt. Yeah, I guess, yeah, let's go for it. Again, hopefully we can get to this dollar. I don't want to spend another dollar. There we go. There we go. Okay. Running out of time. Okay. Drop that in. Oh, wow. Oh. Stay. Oh my gosh. Can't believe I just did that. We're gonna get the zombie high guy now. Let's get this guy. Just get behind his arm. Get in there. Oh, he's like right on the edge. Get in there. There we go. Yes, got the zombie high guy. That's awesome. See, like, that's weird. It did it again. Like, the claw just, like, clamped. That was really weird. I have no idea why it's doing that. Okay. Let's try it for the Drake the Happi Bird. Last dollar, I know. Let's try to rate this right Happi Bird over. Hopefully we can do that. Why not? I don't know what to do. It's like broken. I'll just drop it there. Yeah. Okay. Last try. So we'll just try to see if our prayers can get this Happi Bird. Oh, get it? Oh. Oh man, what should I do? Alright. Because I'm like moving it out a little bit, so that might be good. If this is my like last dollar for like real, then I'm out of cash. Hopefully we can get this Happi Bird though. See if I'm getting behind it, and then just. See, get it behind it, and then rake it. Oh, get in there, get in there. Oh shoot. Oh man. Hopefully I can get it still. Let's get this Happi Bird. Come on, baby. Get over. Get in there. Yes, got the Happi Bird. Yes. Awesome. I knew I could get it. Yeah, baby. Got the Happi Bird. Alright, we're going to count the prizes out for the day when I get back home. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, rate, and comment for more claw machine videos. And thank you guys for watching. Hey, what's up, guys? Carson99 here. Sorry about the light in the back. I don't know why it's doing that. Every time I do my shoutouts, there's like this stupid, annoying light that's in my room that's like making this glare. Like, as you can see, it's a little blurry. So sorry about that, guys. But as always, prizes for the day and some shoutouts. So we'll do the prize for the day first. The first prize we got, this is a really cool prize. I don't know if you guys can see because of the stupid light, but it's the Orange Taz that I won. Yeah, it goes along with my green Taz that I have over here. So yeah, here's the two guys, green and orange Taz right here. So yeah, that's cool. Yeah. So yeah. Hopefully I get more Taz's like this because I think it's probably my favorite Looney Tune Taz. Yeah. And then my second prize I won was the popsicle. Yeah, it's kind of cool. It's by Sugarloaf. Popsicle. My third prize, after I raked in the popsicle, I just dropped the claw randomly, and it happened to, pick up this zombie high guy, the green zombie high guy with white hair. So yeah, it, picked him up, by the head, and I dropped him, but I was happy it did that, because I can just rake him in, near the prize chute when he was laying flat like this. So yeah, and then the fourth prize, which is probably the best prize for the day, was this, red Happi Bird. I raked this in with my last 50 cents that I had, for real. I was broke after that. Well, not literally broke. I had a 10, but I didn't really want to spend a 10. So, yeah, so basically that was my last 50 cents. Yeah, Sugarloaf Happi Bird is my second one of these. I have the blue flat one. Let me get it for you guys. See, here's my other one, the blue flat one. So yeah, I have 2 of them now. I need 4 more of them. I need the green one, the toucan one, the kind of aqua one, and then the purple one. Yeah, hope I can collect them all. That'd be awesome. Cause I think Reed 207. He was saying that if you collect all of the I think he posted a video about the reindeer, and if you won all of those reindeer, if you post it, he'll give you a banner of either Zombie High or a reindeer poster. Okay, so yeah, as always, shout outs to look to. Okay, shout outs. Matthew 756, 3756 Will, Claw Friends Yay, Tyler the Crane, Tickfaw 33. Aaron Hips, Reed 207, the Unique One 1973, KK Rose Magic, Marked Video, Claw Machine 101, Review Guy 3000, Gan X1, Claw Pro 3756, Claw Bro 16, Crane Reel, Mars 5004, Online Crane, Crazy Monkey 720123, Claw GS, Lego Man 824, Gibble Claw 9, Electric Flub, T-Tot 30, Clark Stephan 2000, Gull Scully 35, Pot Vin 48, Angie 3756, Mr. Claw King, Word 72, Claw Trips, Jeffrey 12396, Mr. Awesome 689, Nikiki the Sheet, Jason Garfield 11, Gordleg, I think it's Gordleg 7, Clawmaster Aero League, Woodson 81, Retro Gamer Gaming, Baby Girls, JTS Claws, SBCTYT, Jelly Belly 502, The Claw Machine Masta, with A, no ER, just A, like Masta. Give the Gaming Bros 35, The Strange Boy 101, and Legit X Trinity. I keep saying Trinity, sorry about that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and if you guys haven't noticed that I'm at 98 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and helping me out, because ever since I started making longer videos, my subscribers have just tripled. It's insane. Thank you guys so much. Yeah, so my next giveaway will be obviously when I reach 100 subscribers. I'll do a giveaway every 50 subscribers. I don't know which one I should pick for the next giveaway, either the Happy Feet guy or an annoying orange. So, yeah, I'll decide on that, and then, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.